Again, guys, here we have lesson 14 is talking about using scale on a map. So the distance, the distance in real is not same on the pictures. So a map is what? As a smaller picture of the large place in the world, right? And to scale, what is it? A scale is shows or a way of what? A way of showing the difference between the distance shown on the map and the real distance on the earth. Here, if you see the picture, we have to know how to measure the picture, to take the distance in the picture, and how to compare it in the real. We're using the ruler to take the distance in the picture and take it into the real. If you have no ruler, you can use a pencil or a paper. How you gonna use the paper or pencil? You can use the edge of the paper and take the distance, copy it on the picture, and take how long on a picture and change it to the real. What it says here, look at the drawing below that Ellen made of herself in the park. She decided to use the scale of 1 inch equal 8 feet. She decided that. Not all the pictures are the same distances. She decided that. She said, okay, I'm gonna put the strings right here, okay, the strings, and I decided to let 1 inch equal 8 feet on her map to show the size of the pound. All right, so 1 inch equal 8 feet. So 1 inch on map, and you have 8 feet on real. All right, so let's go to the questions. How long is the blue string on the illness drawing? Let's go to here. Listen, here is the distance, okay? It's saying how long is the blue string on the picture or the drawing. Listen here. Look, 0 to 1.5. You not got to 2 yet. So 0 here, right here, 0 to 1/2. So the blue string is, I measure it as 1.5 inches. So 1 is equal 8 feet, right? Plus half of 8 feet, how much is it? It's 4. So 8 plus 4 equal 12 feet. This is real. So again, question number 1. How long is the blue string on the illness drawing? Is 1/2. As we measure it from here to here is 1.5. So 1/2 inches. Number 2, using her scale, how long is the blue string in the real distance? I have to change 1.5 inches to the real because 1.5 inches is in the map. So if I want to change it to the real, as I said here, 1.5, this is in what? On the map. In real, 1 inch is equal 8 feet. And half means half of 8 feet is 4. 8 plus 4 equal 12 feet. So question number 2 is 12 feet. Question number 3. How long is the red string on the illness drawing? Again, let's measure the red string. Look here. 0, 1, and 2/2. Look, 1, 2.5. So 2.5 inches. Here on the map, I have to change the measurement from the map to the real. I have to know how many feet long is on real. So I have 2 inches and half. 2 inches means 2/8. 8. And half means half of the 8 feet is 4. I have to plus them all. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 16 plus 4 equal 20. So 20 feet. 2.5 inches on the map is equal 20 feet on real. Page 27. Page 27 is talking about Lake Tuban, the area in Lake Tuban. Before going to the questions, here you have the symbols. Here, this one is indicate for the water, dam, bridge, campground, information center, road, and here you have the boat lodge. Number 5. Question number 5. How long is the bridge across Lake Tuban? Here on the map, on the picture, what they're saying, here is, look here, 0 to 40 yards means 1 inch is equal 40 yards in real. 1 inch on the map is equal 40 yards in real. So, number 5, how long is the bridge across the Lake Tuban? I'm going to use my ruler. How long is the bridge across Lake Tuban? Here is the Tuban bridge. So how long is it? 0 to 1 inch, and here I have 2 inches. So if I have 2, it's saying 1 inch equal 40 yards in real. If I have 2 inches, means I have how many? Means I have 2 40s. Means 40 plus 40 equal 80 yards. Because the length of the Lake Tuban is 2 yards, so the right answer is 80 yards. Means 1 inch, 2 inches equal 80 yards. Number 6. Question number 6 says, how many campgrounds are shown on this map? Here is the symbol. As I said, you have to look to the key and then look to the picture. How many to the campground I have in the picture? So number 6 is A, 2. Number 7. Question number 7. What is the distance from the information center to the boat lodge? Here, look again. Here, information center. The symbol of information center is circle, is right here. And the boat lodge, here is it. So, what is the distance? For sure, the distance between them is not gonna be exactly. Look, here is the information center to the boat lodge. Look, is 0 to 1, right? So I'm gonna say about, means it's not exactly how many yards is. So 1 inch, we said 1 inch is equal 40 yards. So from here to the boat lodge is 1 inch. So about 40 yards, about 80 yards, about 100 yards, or about 120 yards. Sure, it's 1 inch, and 1 inch equal 40, about 40 yards. Number 8. What is the distance from the center of the bridge to the dam? Again, what is the distance from the center of the bridge to the dam? center of the bridge. Where's the center of the bridge? What is the distance from the center of the bridge to the dam? What is the distance from center bridge to the dam? Where's the dam? Here is the dam. Here is the dam, right? So what is the distance from the center of the bridge to the dam? From here to here. Listen here. Look, here's the bridge. Here is the dam. So what is the distance between them? Look, 1.5. 1.5. So here is 1 inch and half. 1 and 1.5. Again, 1.5. So 1 inch is equal 40 yards, right? And half means half of 40 equal 20. So 40 plus 20 equal 60 yards. So again, about question number 8. Bridge to the dam. 0 to 1 means 40 yards. Then half, so will be 60 yards. Question number 8 is B. 9. Question number 9. How wide is the boat latch at the widest point? Look here. Boat latch. Where is it? The boat latch on the picture is right here. So it's saying from the widest points, from here to here, is not the nearest one, from the widest one. So is half inch. If half inch means half of 40 is equal 20 yards. Number 10. About how far would you travel if you cross the lake? If you cross the lake, here's the lake. So about how far would you travel if you cross the lake south over the bridge, then travel to the west? To the west, what? To the west campground. So no need, you can directly take the distance from the campground to this street. So is 1 inch, 2 inches, and 3 inches. 3 inches equal how many? Means 40 plus 40 plus 40, because they are 3 inches. Means 40, 40, 3 40s. Equal 120 yards. 40 plus 40 equal 80. 80. 80 plus 40, 80 plus 40 equal 120 yards. So point or question number 10 is D. That's all about lesson 4 and how you gonna use the scale on the map and the real. Thank you.